let's get ready into it. Number 8, the yawn contagion. You're sitting in a meeting, pretending to care about quarterly projections when someone across the room yawns. You fight it, you're strong, you're independent, but no, your jaw unhinges like a snake in a business casual shirt. You've caught it, the yawn, like it's some airborne virus of apathy. But here's the creepy part. Yawning isn't just a sign you're tired or bored. It's socially infectious, like laughter, or weirdly specific TikTok slang. Even reading about yawning, like right now, can trigger one. Go ahead, try not to. Science still doesn't fully understand why, but the best guess is empathy. Your brain, that fleshy gossip queen, mirrors the emotions and behaviors of people around you. It sees someone yawn and thinks, wow, great idea, let's do that too. But make it dramatic. Even creepier? Psychopaths are less likely to catch a yawn. That's right, your ability to involuntarily copy someone's jaw stretch might be a casual barometer for how not murdery you are. So the next time someone yawns and you reflexively do it too, congratulations, you're empathetic, and possibly a human sheep. Number 7, phantom cell phone vibrations. You're minding your own business, probably staring at a screen. Let's be honest, when you feel it, that unmistakable little buzz in your pocket, you check your phone, nothing, no call, no message, not even a scam text from someone claiming to be your long-lost rich uncle from Canada. You're not crazy, you just experienced a phantom vibration, basically, your nervous system pranking you. Studies suggest up to 90% of people have felt these ghost alerts. It's like your body is cosplaying a haunted smartphone. The brain, ever the overachiever, gets so used to the buzz-dopamine equation that it starts inventing the buzz just to keep the good times rolling. It's like your brain is a junkie and your phone is the dealer who stopped calling back. The worst part? You might even reach for your phone, knowing nothing's there, but you do it anyway, just in case. You're basically in an abusive relationship with a rectangle that gaslights you. And the deeper explanation? It's likely linked to neuroplasticity, the same brain mechanism that helps you learn new skills. Except instead of learning French or guitar, your neurons decided to specialize in imaginary pocket buzzing. So yeah, your body is sending ghost texts to itself, because it misses being wanted. Number 6, exploding head syndrome. You're falling asleep, everything's peaceful, then suddenly, bang, an explosion inside your skull, like someone dropped a bowling ball onto your brain. You jolt awake, heart racing, fully convinced that either you've been shot, or your neighbor finally blew up that cursed leaf blower. Except, nothing happened. You just experienced a little horror movie jam called exploding head syndrome. Not as fatal as it sounds, just more existentially rude. Scientists think it's caused by a hiccup in your brainstem while you transition into sleep. The neurons responsible for shutting things down do it too fast, and your auditory system basically panics. Shutting down? No, quick! Make a loud noise. So your brain tosses in a fake explosion to go out with a bang. It doesn't hurt, and it's not dangerous, but it is the neurological equivalent of your brain screaming, "MIC drop," while you're trying to nap. Also, there's no known cure, so if your head randomly explodes while falling asleep, just know, your brain's being dramatic, and there's nothing you can do but tuck it in and say, there, sweet chaos gremlin. Number 5, sleep paralysis demons. You're in bed, asleep, but kind of not. Your eyes are open, you can see your room, but something's wrong. You can't move, can't speak, and oh, look, there's a shadowy demon sitting on your chest like it pays rent. Welcome to the VIP lounge of your subconscious, aka sleep paralysis. It's like your body forgot to turn itself back on after sleep mode. Your brain wakes up, but your muscles are still on pause, which is great if you enjoy being trapped inside a horror movie directed by your own nervous system. Roughly 1 in 5 people experience sleep paralysis at some point, and it's been happening for centuries. Different cultures have blamed everything from witches to ghosts to alien abductions. Because when you're frozen in bed and a creepy figure is hovering over you, obviously the most logical explanation is extraterrestrials. What's really happening? Your body enters a state of muscle atonia during REM sleep to keep you from physically acting out your dreams. That's good. That's helpful. Otherwise, we'd all be sleep punching our partners. But sometimes your brain wakes up before your body catches up, leaving you stuck in the weird limbo of alert consciousness, with a dash of nightmare hallucinations. And those demons? Yeah, they're technically hypnopompic hallucinations, a fancy way of saying brain-fueled horror puppets. They feel real because your threat detection system is still online and very enthusiastic. So if you've ever been pinned to your bed by a shadow creature while mentally screaming into the void, congrats. Your brain just wanted to remind you who's boss. Spoiler, it's not you. Number 4, eyeball worms. Yes, really. If you've ever complained about your contacts being uncomfortable, buckle up, because some people don't get dust in their eye. No, they get worms. Meet Loa Loa, the parasitic worm that treats your eyeball like a scenic walking trail. It's transmitted by the bite of a deerfly in parts of West and Central Africa, and once it's inside you, it just casually migrates through your tissues, sometimes right across your eye. Yes, across your eye. Victims have literally seen a wiggling worm slither across the white of their eye. And no, they don't typically die from it, but they do get the world's most unwanted personal horror show, like a nature documentary, but with 100% more body horror. And the best part? There's no elegant way to remove it. Doctors usually have to fish it out with tweezers, while the person is awake. Just imagine sitting there while someone reaches into your eyeball like they're plucking a hair from a soup. So next time your eye feels itchy, just remember, it could be allergies, or a living, squirming intruder doing laps around your optic nerve. Sleep tight. Number 3, your bones glow. Yeah, so this one sounds fake, like something a 7-year-old would say while holding a glow stick and too much confidence. But here's the creepy truth. Your bones can glow. Under the right conditions, they emit a soft blue-green light like radioactive nightlights trapped inside your meat suit. Now, before you grab a flashlight and start trying to x-ray yourself in a dark bathroom, no, it's not visible to the naked eye. Scientists discovered it using ultraviolet light, because of course they did. Turns out certain proteins and minerals in your bones are naturally fluorescent, especially collagen, the stuff that keeps your bones from snapping like breadsticks. And when hit with UV light, those bones light up like a haunted rave beneath your skin, which is both weirdly beautiful and wildly disturbing, like finding out your skeleton has been throwing secret glow parties this whole time. What does this mean for your day-to-day life? Absolutely nothing, unless you're regularly walking around under black light, in which case, 1, why, and 2, congratulations on having glowing skeleton energy. But still, just imagine that every person you pass on the street is basically a shimmering neon stick figure trapped in a flesh costume. Sweet dreams. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.